Hey, it's Alyssa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, I'm going to be doing an online shopping try-on haul. I have not gone shopping since the beginning of quarantine, and I feel like I've been wearing the exact same outfits every single week since March, which is really depressing. So I wanted to get a few staple items and a few versatile items and share them with you guys in this try-on haul. So yeah, I'm super duper excited to show you guys everything that I got. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, join the family. And without further ado, let's get on with this video. Oh my god, my foot's asleep. Oh my god. We're gonna start off with what I'm wearing. Okay guys, so the first package I received is from shopthreads.co on Instagram. I will put their Instagram in the description if you guys want to check them out. But I ordered a really pretty crew neck and I'm so excited to open it. It's super duper cute packaging, as you can tell. This is what it looks like. Oh my god. Okay, so it says Nike on it, and it has like, I don't know if you guys can see the detailing, but it has like Dior detailing, and it's so freaking cute. Oh my god. Okay, so first of all, I got this really pretty and comfortable pink crew neck that is also embroidered with the Nike logo on it. I got this from a small business, and the Instagram will be right here. I think it's shopthreads.co. She was super duper nice. I really love how good quality that this crew neck is. I will link this along with everything else in the description down below. This is what it looks like, and we have all of the clothes. So yeah, at the top we have the thanks for shopping with us, and then just some return stuff. We have who the order was packaged by. Okay, let's start with what the top thing is. I actually have no idea what I got. So the first thing that I got is this really pretty, just plain black ribbed crop top. For some weird reason, I've never had just a plain crop top that's just one color in my wardrobe, and I feel like black is the perfect way to go because it's just super versatile. You can dress it up with anything, and I don't know, what else can you really say about a black crop top? The next thing that I got, I wanted to kind of branch out a little bit, so I got this really pretty like v-neck, and it is ribbed and it also has buttons going up the middle, and I just really like it, to be completely honest. I've never really had anything like this, but it's a little big on me. It's a little looser than I thought it would be, but honestly I feel like it's super duper cute if you just like put it off the shoulder or something like that. And yeah, so I really like this one as well. I just got a plain white tank top. I also really like how boxy it is for some weird reason. I feel like that just looks really flattering, especially on my body type. You can dress this up and also dress this down just because it's a plain tank top with these little thick straps at the top. Funny enough, I got the exact same thing in the color black because again, you can dress this up, dress it down. It's super duper simple, and you can also layer it, and it just looks really pretty. And again, I really like the fit of it. I don't know why. The last thing that I got is this t-shirt right here, and it has these three like embroidered flowers, if that makes any sense. It's just a quick little top, but I also sized up in this because I don't know why, I just wanted it to kind of be like a flowy crop top, if that makes any sense. And I feel like this does a really good job of being a nice, just regular t-shirt that's a little cropped. And it's super simple. You can just wear this with jeans or leggings just to kind of throw it on. And I like how it's super simple. That is going to be it for my clothing haul, but before we end off the video, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to my parents for helping me out with this video. Also, I wanted to say a huge thank you to you guys. I'm just so incredibly grateful, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. Seriously, it means the world to me, and if you guys would ever like to leave me a comment down below just to say hi or just talk about anything, I'm here. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you guys so much for all of the support. It literally means the world. You guys have no idea. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!